Today we will learn contraction in English. Please subscribe my channel English Box and press bell icon for more videos. What is? Words. Words क्या है? Cannot. Can't. Can't. नहीं कर सकता. Might not. Mightn't. Mightn't. शायद ना होता. Will not. Won't. Won't. नहीं होगा. I have. I've. मैं रखता हूँ. Are not. Aren't. नहीं है. You have. You've. तुम्हारे पास है. Could not. Couldn't. नहीं कर सका. Does not. Doesn't. नहीं करता. Is not. Isn't. नहीं है. Let us. Let's. आओ हम चलें या करें. I am. I'm. मैं हूँ. I will और shall. I'll. मैं करूँगा. Did not. Didn't. नहीं किया. She is और she has. She is meaning वो है. She has meaning वो रखती है. Should not. Shouldn't. नहीं चाहिए. That is और that has. That is वो है. That has वो रखता है. They will और they shall. They'll वो करेंगे. They are वो हैं. Who are कौन है. Who is whose कौन है. Do not. Don't. नहीं करता. Has not. Hasn't. नहीं रखता है. You will और you shall. You'll. तुम रखोगे. Have not. Haven't. नहीं रखते हैं. Who are कौन है. Who will और who shall. Who'll कौन होगा. She will और she shall. She'll वो करेगी.